Let's slide.
Check y'all out.
516 for the rest of my life.
Fly Young Goon.
You know me. I'm my G. Yo, lying ass is talking shit to try to get attention. Remember you, I beat your ass, that's that shit you don't want me to mention. I told you I got hands, stay fast like a 7 fan. They still hot, they give you a brand. My shit is brand new. Nigga, what you wanna do? Cause we some real niggas. We don't care for you, your life a fucking handout. Should I talk to you? That's a fucking doubt. We will murder niggas. We will murder that nigga. Bang! We some real niggas. 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 Shit slow. We some real niggas. Fuck that bitch ass nigga. We some real niggas.
Check y'all out.
Fuck that nigga. Real nigga.
Bitch, you a fuck hoe. I make your pussy split. You scream and holler dope, but I love my girl to death. She already know I'm all about my dough. So get into my flow. Corny rappers gotta go. You fucking with my dough. So get the fuck out and shut my fucking door before I lose my flow, bitch.
Yeah. Here, lose
real
his fucking
niggas.
flow. Hold up though. I ain't done. I got another verse. I ain't coming down till I get my crown. This shit is fucking crazy. I ain't did no crime, so I ain't doing no time. This rap game weak. I told you I bring the heat. Fuckers all day. I wear their shirts on me, cause we fucking real though. Fucking everybody else, cause we some steel flows. Fuck that nigga though. We got heli cash, I got heli ass. They come very fast. I'm coming back and forth. Let us slap that man. I'm spitting everything like the new brand. We the new men, so let's take it over. 516, I love it over. Holla,
Bang!
holla.
Bang!
We some real
Bang!
niggas, y'all. Hey, Devin, told your bitch ass I'd get you someday, nigga. I
Fuck
ain't gotta
you,
put
ain't
my
no
hands on
punk
you,
ass
bitch.
brother.
Hey, and Rebecca slut. Remember, don't ever talk to my bitch like you stupid. Cause I got those stupid ass, Drake. I ain't riding your ass though, cause you lucky my
We
nigga
some
cousin.
real niggas.
It's all good though. Fucking with that, remember.
We some real
That
niggas.
nigga T-Nate don't got this, you know what I'm saying?
We some real. Yeah, fuck your bitch ass too. Talk to my girl. Fuck is wrong with you, man? Shit get popped out here.
Hey, Kelly, just to let you know, I love you like a motherfucker. You ain't going nowhere.
Locked out.